There's the bare chassis. There's the next generation smoke, 3D printed with lid, motor, one screw. There's the puff and chuff, gear, sensors, mounting plates, adapters, motor on detector, and wiring, 2 screws. There's the motor, ball bearing front washer bearing, and DC field magnets instead of the wire wound fields. 2 screws. 5 screws later, I'm not kidding you, less than 2 minutes, we have a bare chassis. Now all I have to do is pull one wheel off each side, pound out the gear drive, counterbore, set in the screws, set in the ball bearings, let them cure. That takes longer than anything. And then reassemble. And when I go to reassemble, 5 screws. I'm like, yesterday I was going, oh God, I have to take the engine apart. This is really not bad. Okay, Elon Musk got nothing on me. Yeah, Train X. Here we are. Oh, SX. Oh, maybe that's the new next generation SX. Okay, later gang, got work to do.